Good morning, children. Last day, we discussed and studied about our solar system. Who are the members of the solar system? Sun, 8 planets, and satellites, and some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids. They form the solar system. And Sun is the head of the solar system. Pulling force of the Sun binding solar system. And hot and energy is given to all other planets and in their system who is Sun. All these things we studied. And now I am going to explain about planets. Already you know that we have 8 planets in our solar system. How many we have? 8 planets in our solar system. According to the distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is given by one. And now I am saying an easy method for by hearting these names of planets. That is, one sentence I will give. From this sentence, from the word first letters you can connect it to names of planets. Okay, that is, sentence is given. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. This is a sentence. From this sentence, first letter of the word, you can connect it to planets. Okay, first letter of the words you can connect it to planets. That is, my M Mercury, very V Venus, efficient E, that is Earth, and mother in that M, that is Mars, then just in that J, Jupiter, and served in that S, Saturn, and U, us in that us, you can connect it to Uranus, and last one nuts, that is N, you can connect it to Neptune. Like this you can study. If you study this sentence, you can study easily names of planets. And all these planets have its own orbit. What do you mean by orbit? Orbit means all the planets have its own path. That path is known as orbit. Okay. And through this orbit, all these planets are moving around the sun. Okay. So, and these planets, all these planets moving around the sun with its own orbit. And this orbit shape is known as, it is a elongated shape. Okay. This orbit shape is known as elongated shape, not round. It is a elongated shape. And through these elongated paths, all these planets are moving around the sun. Okay. And most nearest sun, which planet is known as, that is known as Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the nearest to the sun. And it takes only about 88 days to complete one round around its own orbit. Venus is considered as a Earth twins. Okay, Earth twins is known as Venus. And Mercury is the most nearest planets. And Venus is known as Earth twins because the shape and size of the Venus is like to Earth. So that is, it is known as Earth twins. And up to 2006, Pluto also we are considering as a planet. And now it is not a planet. Now it is known as dwarf planets because it is out of the control of the sun. And it does not have fixed orbit. Because of this reason, Pluto it is considering as a dwarf planet. I think today we studied, I think you understood this class. Today we studied how many planets we have, an easy method we studied, and orbit and orbit shape also we studied. Now I am giving an activity, that is, you can write these planets name one by one in your notebook, and Each planet's one speciality, one or two specialities also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, that is today's activity. Thank you.